Oh, y'all, I got my cartilage pierced today. Thanks to Claire's.
Yeah, that's my number one chick. It always got my back. With me and my babe broke up. She beat a chick up on sight. Don't let her get turned.
Hey y'all, it's Maddie and you're watching Double M Takeover, and it's lit like a tick because I'm back with another video. I said I'm back with another video. So, in today's video, as you read the title, I am going to be doing a hair review on Isee Beauty's Mongolian water wave hair. I know I've been rocking with Isee forever. I always buy my hair from them, so this video is not sponsored at all. I personally took my $165, 50, 51, 60, one of them numbers. I'll put it all in the video and bought the hair myself. So I am going to give y'all the real deal schmill. There's no reason for him to give me a better pack of hair than they would give y'all. So let's just unbox the hair. Basically, my mom already opened it, unfortunately. She opened it already. You know how mothers be. Black moms always opening your mail. But she opened it, and so I'm going to just show y'all. And then since she opened it, it kind of made me want to open the rest of it, and I kind of played with the hair a little bit. So this is like a fake unboxing. It's not really a real unboxing, but it's good enough. So I'm just going to show y'all what the hair looks like, what it feels like, explain it to y'all and stuff like that, and give y'all some details. And then later on in this video, I'm going to show y'all how I basically lay my hair, put my wig on, how I make my closure look real, how I do the do. You feel what I'm saying? How I slay the wig. You feel me? And I'm making the wig myself. So basically, it came in a DHL bag, like this. That's who they shipped through. And then inside the DHL package was the satin bag that the hair comes in. If y'all know, if y'all been rocking with me and y'all been rocking with Isee, y'all know that their packages has been through 3 different changes. They used to have a white box, no, 4 actually, 4 different changes. They went through 4 different changes. They used to have a white box, a black box, they had like a pink and black bag, all that. Now they got this. So yeah, let's get into it. So you just undo the little drawstring. Honestly, this is probably my favorite package because when you're done with your wig or whatever, the bundles, you can always just put them back in the satin bag and like it's good, you know what I'm saying? So the first thing I pulled out was the closure. I kind of already touched it and played with it, so yeah. But this is the closure. It's 18 inches, and it is water wave, and then it just says Mongolian on it, and it says Isee Princess. That's like one of their collections or whatever. Isee Princess. So then this is what the closure looks like, and it feels soft. It doesn't have a smell. It smells like hair. Like, I don't, all hair has a smell. It just smells like hair. I don't really know how to explain it. Dang, why am I all jacked up? But yeah, basically that's that. I don't know if y'all can see what the lace looks like and the color of the lace, but like it has like this tint on it. I don't know, but like it's like it's like a green tint. So I don't know how I feel about that. But I never paid my other lace no attention, but now that like I'm starting to really like pay attention to like laces and stuff, I noticed that this has like a little greenish brownish tint to it. So I don't know how that's, how that affects everything, but like I still know how to work it, so it don't matter. But yeah, this is what the lace looks like. Only thing I'm going to complain about right now before I even make the wig and put it on my head, I know I'm going to complain, is about the closure, because I don't like when my closures look pre-plucked. I like for my closures to be full from the very tip where they give you baby hairs to the very back of the closure, to the side, to the other side. Like, I don't like for them to, thin out the closure towards the front, because don't do that, because I want to do it. I like my closure to look a certain way. So now I have to like basically go back behind where you started thinning out to make it look how I want. Like, I don't like pre-plucked closures. Like, if I wanted pre-plucked, I would have asked for you to pluck it. Don't pluck my closure, or don't thin it out. Like, just give me a full closure with hair all over it and let me do the plucking. Like, I don't like that, because that's how they get bald fast. because like they put no hair right there already, so it's already no hair right there. So like I don't like that personally. Don't pre-plug my closure because I don't be liking that. Don't do that. So yeah, but this is the closure. This is the texture of the hair. Again, this is water wave, so it's like curly, but I haven't washed it yet, so I feel like once I wash it, it's going to loosen up a little bit. But yeah, this is the texture of it. I've had so far from them their Mongolian Kiki Curly and their Brazilian Hollywood Wave, and I like both of them. So yeah. Next thing, and I'm pulling out, is gonna be bundles, because that's, yeah. So I got 3 bundles in the closure. I got an 18-inch closure and 22-inch bundles. I don't really want anything like too long because I'm not in the mood for that. So I just wanted something, you know, nice, you know, nice long length when I straighten it, and then nice when it's curly. This is the bundles. I'm gonna complain right now, because I'm used to buying hair from Isee, and I know their potential, and I know like the hair. I'm telling you right now, this is not my favorite hair. Like, it's not as soft as my kinky curly hair was. When my kinky curly hair came, it was so soft. I was like running my fingers through it like all day because it was so soft. My Hollywood wave hair was so flowy and so soft. It was just like life. This right here, I wouldn't say it's like hard, but it's not as soft as I would want it to be. I don't know if it's gonna soften up when I wash it or whatever, but it's not that soft, and it's more of a curly texture. Like, it's literally like curls. Like, I don't know what I thought. I don't know. I wanted like a looser wave pattern. I don't know why I thought this was looser, but it's not that. It's not loose at all. It's almost close to the Mongolian kinky curly that they have. So it's almost close. It's a little bit looser, but it's almost close to that. So yeah, I don't know. It's not as soft as I would expect them to offer me. But yeah, you can run your fingers through it until you get to the end, and then like, you know, you get a little bit of shedding, but that's because it's curly hair or whatever. But you can run your fingers through it. You're gonna get like tingles. You see that? So yeah, let's just take that out because it's curly hair, so that just happens or whatever. This is the first bundle. It don't stink. It smells just like all the rest of the hair does. I don't know. The next bundle. So I'll just show you what it looks like. The package. Or whatever. It comes like, this is not open, so it comes looking just like this. Before you run your fingers through it, this is what it looks like, and then it has the net on it and all that stuff. So I'm just gonna take the net off. Okay, and then like they give you care instructions and a little card or whatever, a thank you card, basically about the hair. This bundle is kind of softer. It still feels almost the exact same as the other one, so I don't know if it's just like the texture of hair that this is or what it is, but it's not as soft as I would expect it to be. The weft look really well constructed, and there's a lot of hair on there, it looks like, so that's good. But yeah, that's what it looks like. That's the second bundle. The third bundle I already played in, so basically it's the same thing. I'm not gonna, actually, did I? No, I didn't play in this bundle, so I am gonna open it. Yeah, I didn't play in this one. So basically this is what this one looks like. I don't know how they're gonna look until I wash them, because you know that's when you really find out what you're working with, when you wash the hair. So I'm gonna wash it after I make the wig though, because I want to bleach my hair. So like, I want to bleach the ends and stuff like that, like do highlights and stuff. So I'm gonna end up doing it after, washing it after I make the wig. So yeah, this one feels softer, I'm not even gonna lie to you. So this is actually like a better bundle because it's really softer. It's still not as soft as like I would expect them to have, but it's way softer than the other hair. But yeah, this is what it looks like. This is what all the bundles look like together. And then you got all the bundles plus the closure. So basically those are bundles and stuff. The next thing that's in this bag is lashes. You know, they give y'all lashes. Now they have really, really cute lashes. Like the lashes they used to have, baby, them things is not it at all. It was not cute. It was not cute at all. Like, they was just like, you know, them old country lashes that they be giving you. But these lashes are actually kind of cute. And I'll actually wear these, because these ones is giving. So, thank you card, you know. And basically, it just has care instructions, the little model on the front, and all that other stuff. And the website, and the number, the WhatsApp number, and all that stuff on there. I think that's cool that they give you all that in case you want to vent. But yeah, basically that's everything that was in my package for my hair. So when I go to lay my wig, I will be Becky on there. Okay.
Nothing get between, yeah. I know drug dealers, I know real killers, no hard feelings, I just can't be in love with you. No strings attached, just throw it back, no complication.